Alright, give you the rundown on this cool students project. Here are the cedar logs. It came in, I don't know, maybe 5 months ago from Tree Safe. Colfax High Grad brought these logs in, incense cedar. They're beautiful logs. Came over here, we milled them up on our Wood Miser LT15 wide. You see that one's checking out in the sun. Then stacked it for probably 6 months or so. So there it is. You just try and keep it covered up. So there's our cedar lumber. And then after it was milled and dried, then we went over to the planer and then planed it down. This is our Laguna 25-inch planer. Here's the cedar board out of the planer, nice and smooth. Then from there we went over to the Festool track saw. And then here with our Festool TS55 track saw, cross cut both ends, get them parallel. And then we usually rip one side so we're perpendicular and have a part to work off of. Or if it's going onto the CNC, we just cut it to manageable length. And here's a part on the CNC. This is actually a holder for the cribbage board. You can see the natural edge. I bet it's about 5/4 thick, pretty thick. So this is run on our Techno CNC. There's the interface right there. Cutting these because we're taking out such a big pocket with a 1/2 inch flat end mill, 2 flute. That's it right there. And then here are the finished pockets. So that bottom pocket right there is for the cribbage pins to go into. Cribbage board is a mix of cedar and then some bought Purple Heart. So there's a cribbage board also run on the CNC. And then this drops into the pocket like that. Got a few of them going here. Kind of working on manufacturing them. So that's really how it goes at this shop, how we mill lumber and then build super cool, high labor, high technology products out of it. So basically it's fuel reduction waste that's got made into these beautiful manufactured cribbage boards with containers. A little bit of exotics mixed in to give some extra pop. These still need to get finished. And then you could buy these at our web store, treetransformation.com. All the proceeds go back to the students or to our national forest. So what we do here is we mill lumber, usually scrap lumber from fuel reduction projects, and then we make it into beautiful projects and sell it on our web store, treetransformation.com. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the overview.